Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Waylong Elementary and Junior High School. This is our lunch. This is lunch date with Teacher Mark. Hello, Mac. For today's video, let's talk about earthquake and typhoon. Earthquakes and typhoons are powerful natural phenomena that have the potential to cause significant devastation. Understanding these events and being prepared for them is essential for minimizing their impact on our lives.
By recognizing the signs of these natural disasters and implementing safety measures, we can better protect ourselves and our community. Stay informed, stay prepared, and stay safe.
Now, let's learn some English vocabulary related to earthquake and typhoon. First one is earthquake,
地震，
seismic activity,
地震活动，
epicenter,
震央，
magnitude,
规模，
intensity,
强度，
aftershock,
余震，
fault line,
断层线，
seismograph,
地震仪，
tsunami,
海啸，
evacuation route,
撤离路线，
emergency kit,
紧急救援包，
earthquake drill,
地震演习，
drop, cover, and hold on,
蹲下掩护抓牢，
typhoon,
台风，
tropical cyclone,
热带气旋，
eye of the typhoon,
台风眼，
typhoon warning,
台风警报，
gale,
强风，
rain bands,
雨带，
wind speed,
风速，
landfall,
登陆，
storm surge,
风暴虎潮，
landslide,
土石流，
flooding,
淹水，
evacuation,
撤离，
evacuation center,
避难中心，
Central Weather Administration or the CWA,
交通部中央气象署。
In Taiwan, the Central Weather Administration is responsible for monitoring and providing information on typhoons and earthquakes. The CWA issues warnings, tracks weather systems, and provides updates to the public to ensure safety and preparedness. That's it, Mac.
Always prioritize your safety and the safety of those around you. Stay prepared, stay informed, and stay safe. Once again, this is Max saying, an English academic, Waylon students smart and happy.
See you next week here on our lunch.
Our dad.
This is Lunch Date with Teacher Mark.